Duffel bag, backseat.
This tip is for helping kids with nail cutting, in particular kids who are very uncomfortable with the sensation of nail cutting. So this is one video in a video series. Please be sure to check out the video on type of tool, so that way you can determine what type is most effective and then potentially apply this new strategy. So a way to help a child manage the sensation of nail cutting can be to help their fingers feel a bit more desensitized. So a way in which you can do that is to take the fingertips and provide some really gentle, deep pressure before you cut. So you take a finger, and this is a gentle squeeze down. I'm going to squeeze down and count with the child for 20 seconds on this nice gentle squeeze. Once you hit the 20, you're going to take the tool that works for you and use it to clip the nail. So you slowly go through the whole hand. So you'll compress gently for 20 seconds, and then you'll cut. You'll compress gently for 20 seconds, and then you'll cut, and then compress gently for 20 seconds, and so on. Sometimes the deep pressure is just really calming and organizing for kids, so it sort of preps them to participate in a nail cutting task. So you can certainly give this one a try and see how it works for you.
In my mind, you're a drive real slow down.